Hello and welcome to Pure and True Essentials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make activated charcoal soap. In today's beauty industry, activated charcoal is getting very popular. Why? Because it's thought to absorb toxins from your skin, excess oil, and also cleanse your skin a lot better. In my personal experience, it helps my pore look a lot smaller and less visible, and it also helps my blackheads to disappear. Activated charcoal might be suitable for oily skin and combination skin. It might not be suitable for dry skin. It never hurts to try and see whether charcoal suits your skin because it's got so much benefits in it. And my friends who have used it brag about this soap, and they say that it helps them reduce their scar, it helps your skin look a lot healthier and brighter, and they go on and on about this soap. So let me stop going on and let me show you how to make this soap. So let's get started. I melted the solid oils and added the liquid oils to it. Now we are ready to pour the lye water solution and blend the oils and lye water together. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of charcoal to the batter and blending it. Now it's time to add fragrance oil to the soap batter. The soap is ready to be poured in the mold, filling it into 2 molds. The recipe for this soap is in the description box below. Please give it a try. After 3 days, I unmolded the soap and it had soda ash, so I treated it for soda ash, and after removing the soda ash, I let it dry for 2 days, and after 5 days, I'm cutting the soap and you can see it is shiny and glossy on top. I linked the soda ash removing video in the description box below. If you want, you can take a look at how I removed the soda ash on the soap. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and also visit my other social media platforms.